Do you need to film me, sir?
Because obviously you're filming, so I'd like to have a...
Okay.
Just, how long have you been on it?
3 weeks now.
3 weeks now. How are you finding it?
I've been screaming at Crawley Council to give me somewhere to stay.
They've not done nothing yet.
They're useless.
See that? They're useless. And they've come out today to argue with me,
Yeah.
cooking this pot of soup for you guys.
Oh, well done, mate. I'm really proud of you.
I've warmed you up. I've got a spoon for you as well.
And they end up being strong like this. Only means we see God's throne and want to realize that.
I just wanted to help you get to what you need to achieve. I don't think you're registered with a food business with the council currently.
I've got food hygiene and food
Yeah, but you're not registered with us as an authority. Organisations that are properly established.
organisations. Because this is like my second time to come to Crawley.
All
So
right.
what I do...
It's been a bit more than that, it's like a 4th time.
Have you seen me 4 times?
No, but your YouTube videos.
It doesn't matter if my YouTube videos have showed 4 times, but I've been here